1998 Ford F-150. It's got shorty headers on it. If you guys can see right there. You can't really see them on there. But there's shorty headers on it on both sides. 4 catalytic converters, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, then it wires into a single. We did a Y pipe setup. It's 2.5-inch pipe coming into a Y pipe setup, straight pipe duals right there. Then it's got 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4, so 2.5 to 2 1/4 there and there. Goes nice over the rear axle right there, nice clean setup. And then it goes into 4-inch quad tips by Flowmaster. Flowmaster tips, we'll have a link in the description for the tips and the Y pipe if we find them. So you can order them if you guys want them. They came out really nice setup on the quad tips. Is it supercharged or no, or is it just the badges?
It's just
just the badges on it. Okay, still looks nice though. So there it is. It's a clone basically. There's the Flowmaster tips. Came out really nice. Really clean setup. Much better. Was it slow? Oh yeah, baby. Again? Sound decibels? 106.
Oh yeah, that sounds
You like it?
good.
Heck yeah, man. This sounds really nice. Those shorty headers help it too, give it that crackle a little bit more.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting a crackle.
Yeah. Next step, if you want, you can true dual it if you want it louder.
Yeah.
But I like it like that, man. It sounds really good. It's clean.
It's quiet right now too.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's quiet at idle. It's about like 90. Those are the right tips for it. They look really good on it. Ford F-150. A really clean truck. I like it. Sounds nice. 2003 Ford F-150 Triton V8. Nice truck. He's fixing it up little by little. He just put some exhaust on it. So we got 4 factory or aftermarkets here, 2 of them, and then 2 factories over here. So 2 high flows there and 2 regular there. Then what we did is true dualed it for him all the way back. That's what he wanted. We said, we got you. Here, glass packs that he brought, part number 87522CB. There'll be a link in the description for him, as you guys can see right there. Then we continued with 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side. And he's getting a new bumper, so we didn't put him any tips yet. He's gonna, once he puts the new bumper on, he might bring it back and we'll put tips on it. So there it is with regular pipe. There's the original exhaust that was on it, all rotted out. We took it out, cleaned it up for him, and ran new exhaust for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, it was a rolling joke at first he had. It was quiet, not fast, just loud. Now it's not fast, but really loud. Go ahead. Yeah, it's definitely loud. Good. Here's sound that 112. That sounds really nice. Again. Yeah, 112. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, like that. Always, when they first came out, I always wanted one of these because of the. I thought they would look. Here on the inside. F-150 True Dual with cherry bombs, glass packs. You can tell that's new rubber on it too. They're massive. I like it. He's getting it cleaner and cleaner by the day. That's what us car guys do. We just keep playing with them. Check it out, guys. Bright orange Boss 5.4 liter Ford F-150 step side. Look at that orange, Tennessee orange. Harley Davidson wheels off the Harley Davidson trucks. Nice setup, it's clean, different. Got a giant stripe in the middle. We'll show it to you guys in a second. The black on to orange accent. Not bad, not bad. Anyways, 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it wires into a single there. Then we put 3-inch pipe because the old pipe was all rotted out. He had a glass pack on it that was leaking. We took it off and put a Flowmaster Super 10. Let me get you guys the part number off of it. Here's the part number, 842-5152. There will be a link in the description. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. We reused his, they were still good. And it's got quad tips to complete the look. So there'll be a link for the tips and there'll be a link for the Flowmaster Super 10. All right, guys, in the description. This was the glass back all rotted out, as you guys can see. There we are, and that's the street. He's honking. Sorry for the construction, guys, but they're building more apartments in Nashville. Like, it's not a new site, you know. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Stay tuned. Better.
Yeah.
What do you think, amigo? Perfect?
Yeah.
All right. He likes it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 98. Is clogged, they're clogged. Because this thing's supposed to be like 105, 107. Really nice. I'll do a different bumper on it though. It needs the back bumper like that. You guys here on the inside. See the hood? I like the hood on it too. It's different. To each their own, man. That's what we love about the car community. Old but gold, guys. 1999 Ford F-150 Triton V8 5.4 liter sexy truck. What we got done on it? Still got factory converters from the factory. 4 of them. 2 there, 2 there. 4 converters total. And then what we done on it, usually wires into a single there. We took it apart, crossed it over, and true dualed it all the way back. And then he brought his own 2 cherry bomb turbo mufflers, glass packs, part number 87510CB. They are 18 inches long. There'll be a link in the description for them right there. His dual tailpipes on each side, they were still good, so we wanted to save him some money. And we didn't take them off, renewed them. They still got some life to them, maybe another 5-7 years on them. And then factory tips out the back there, and they're angle cut, as you guys can see, to finish off the look. And there's that centerpiece that we cut off. That's where it was dualed in the middle, and then it was dualed out the back with a regular glass pack. So we took all that off and true dueled it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And you know, guys, we really appreciate everything you guys do for us. And if you would hit that subscribe button, we really appreciate it. True dueled F-150. It's nice and quiet. It's quiet and idle. Yeah, it gives it a nice deep tone. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. That sounds phenomenal. Ford F-150 True Duel. There she is. It's got a really nice pop to it. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. And it's got the hood scoops. Because why not? We got construction up there, guys, so it's a little bit noisy. We apologize. But we do what we can do. Perfect. And then we got the Maserati next. Go. Let's see what the Maserati can do. There we go. Oh yeah. Double header for you guys. Enjoy. Nice. Guys, 2001 Ford F-150 5.4 Triton. Really beautiful truck. He's building it for himself. You should have seen it before, guys, before he painted it and wheels and stuff. So he brought it to us. Didn't have no exhaust on it. We cut everything off and put high flow cats there and there. Then crossed it over, true duel all the way with an X pipe for exhaust scavenge. Then 2 1/4 pipe into 2 Flowmaster Outlaws. Right there, part number 815425. Right there. Be a link in the description for both. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, custom bent, mandrel bent into 5-inch black tips. These right there on each side. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, comment, like, subscribe, and share because you care. Again? No, I was wrong. That sounds good. Again? There we go. 114. Not bad. Again? What's the highest it hit? 114? It's got a really nice pop to it. Go ahead and back it out. All right. You like it? Thumbs up? Yeah. That's so nice. It smells so good. True duels. Master Outlaw. There we go. It's really beautiful truck. I'm gonna take a picture of this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before he started the project. All right, guys. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Taking it back to Georgia. Bob. I called you Bill. I don't know why. Bob. You always do. Do I do, don't I? Why? Everybody's good. Up to no good as usual. Yeah. That look is perfect. Look at that. So clean. And more traffic. Guys, we got a 2002 Ford F-250 Super Duty 5.4 liter V8. We have to gotta go low. Anyways, got factory manifolds. Then we put a high flow cat there, 3-inch pipe. Then also put a Black Widow race venom, AKA Angry Housewife. So you know this thing's gonna scream. There it is right there. And then we completed it all with a 5-inch black tip at the back, right there. So it completes the look. Look at that. Really nice, really clean. There it is, high flow cap, Black Widow, and 5-inch tip out the back. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. This was the thrush muffler that was on it before. We took it off and replaced it with that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. We got our Exhaust Addicts sticker on it, boys and girls. Come get you one. Go ahead. Wow. That sounds better. 118, guys. That's insane. I like it. Go ahead and back it out. And it's lifted too, look at that. It's a good looking truck. Wow. That sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside.